Hi guys, it's Justyn, Trader 187 here, and today I'll be doing another video on risk management, as risk management is a key factor in trading. Again, with proper risk management and a mediocre trading strategy, you will be a profitable trader, but with a good trading strategy and poor risk management, you will be a losing trader. So again, that's why risk management is a very important factor in trading. So previously I showed you the long way on how to enter trades using proper risk management using the manual way by use of a calculator, which did take quite some time, but this time I'll show you how to do proper risk management with the use of an Excel file that I have here, which reduces the amount of time greatly. So now I'll show you an example of a trade where risk management will be applied. So this red line will be representing the stop loss, and change the color. This blue line will be representing your entry price. So now, as you can see, this is the difference between the entry price and the stop loss is you get this crosshair, you click, and this is 58.3 pips. Round it up to say 59 pips. Write this down. So 59 pip risk. So the 59 pip risk is the difference between the entry price and the stop loss. The stop loss is your exit price if you was to be wrong, and that would mean you left the trade with a loss. So this trade will be 59 pip risk. And what we'll do now is we'll go to the Excel file, which is this here. It's a trade log. Go back to the chart, and what you want to do, you want to get your account balance. So you click on this terminal here, then you click on trade, and there is your account balance, 49884.35. Write that down. So go back to the Excel file. You need to make sure that your proper account balance is in this field here. So the number is 49884.35. Double check. Yeah, that's correct. Now, with this risk management file, as long as you've got your initial trading balance on this file, or everything else will be done for you, so you won't have to waste time doing the long way, which is the calculator way. And for people that don't like maths or aren't very good at maths, this is a great substitute. So what you will do at the minute, the risk is set at 0.4% per trade. So I'll show you how to change. Say for example, if you'd like to do 2% risk, you change this number here to 2. Now you can see that each trade taken at 2% risk, when your account balance is 49884.35, that will be 998. That's how much you'll be risking. If it was at 5% risk, it will be at your 2% risk per trade will be 2494. I'll just go back to say 0.8% risk, and that would mean that each trade you'll be risking 0.8%, which is 399. We'll go back to 2% risk, so you can now see how easy it is to change the risk. So we'll keep it at 2% risk of your account balance, which is over there, and that is 998 per trade. So that means that in your 59 pip risk for this trade, you actually can risk 998, which is shown on your Excel file here. So I'll write that on here. And I'll make this in red. So that means the distance between your entry price and your stop loss, which is 59 pips, is also the monetary value of 998. So one of the main things you need to do is calculate the amount of risk per pip. So you do this instead of doing it the long way on the calculator. All you need to do now is go back to the Excel file, which is, remember, the 59 pip. Go back to the Excel file, click on your max stop loss, and let's check the number again. It says 59 pip. Go on to Excel file, press 59. So now you can see that the maximum stop loss has been changed, and you can see that this entry lot size number changed. I'll do it again. So it's on 76. When you change it to 59, which is what you should supposed to be in this instance, you'll see the entry lot size change. So 1.69. So all you need to do is go back to your trading platform, click on new order, and your stop loss would be 1.18141. And your volume, which is your lot size, volume and lot size are the same thing. Your volume would be 1.69. So you change this number to 1.69, and that would be that you're calculating you're using the right amount of risk per trade. Risk management is a key factor in trading, so it's very important you use proper risk management. You can either use the calculator way or you can use the Excel file way. If you'd like to get the Excel file, feel free to contact us using the link below. Like and subscribe to our YouTube page. Join our mailing list where we'll have more video tutorials, and I'll give you more in-depth information on how to use proper risk management. This is a short video. For the full length video, get in contact with us and like and subscribe. I hope that helped.